Yeah, man. You know the beginning, Jah use word for create life. So when we speak, we create too, sing. So I tell the people, speak life everywhere you go.
Me say the tongue have power, me know it's true. Life or death depend on what you choose. So me I chant words clean and true. Blessing for my name and for yours too. No curse, no doubt, no fear, me wall. My words are diamond, me thoughts pure gold. Me talk success, me call peace bold. 2010 sets new story told.
Speak life every morning you rise.
Speak life,
Let your light fill your eyes.
speak life,
Over you and the tribe. Cause words where you speak them multiply.
speak life,
Over city and street.
speak life,
Make the prophecy sweet.
speak life.
Your victory complete. So every little word, keep it clean and neat. Me no follow the crowd where you talk bad mind. Me elevate me vibe, me leave that behind it. Me see my brother fall, me help him climb. Speak hope, speak love, that I just sign. When me open my mouth, me plant seed. Every good word bear fruit indeed. Bless up the youth, them teach them creed. We speak from love and not from greed.
Me say words build nation, words bring peace. Words can heal, our words can see. So me choose upliftment, me choose release. Me say life till the troubles decrease.
Speak life every morning you rise.
Speak life,
Let your light fill your eyes.
speak life,
Over you and the tribe. Cause words where you speak them multiply.
speak life,
Future bright and clear.
speak life,
Make blessing draw near.
speak life.
Love conquer fear. Yeah, 2020 swing see the year for care. Remember me people, every word where you speak carry fire. So speak love, speak truth, speak life. One heart, one destiny.